So this is going to be the tool of the day. I used this to trim some of the branches of the fallen tree that were in our pool this morning. And it is pretty well rounded, easy, lightweight, battery operated. So let's get these babies trimmed up and start breaking down. I can at least fertilize our trees. I don't know if I showed you. Let's have a look. To operate it, all you do is pull down this safety. Let me see here. This safety, you just pull down this safety, and then we pull this, squeeze it, and that will activate it. See how much else we can get done. Let me get a closer angle for y'all. Anything I leave here, you can already see there's little leaves, so it'll bush out really fast, probably within a couple of days. All right, and then we have one more section to take care of here. And I would love for this to grow into a hedge. You can see here where I cut some back before, already growing in super thick. This actually fell over, and you can see here, so we have our horizontal branches that fell, and we got vertical, so this will be like an instant hedge without me having to plant more of the Mexican sunflower plants there, and hopefully they root themselves, not ultimate cuttings. But I always prefer when they do it on themselves. I think it's healthier too. They're really much better than I am at rooting themselves. All right, let's get this batch done, and then we got to go inside. I'm sweating like a maniac. There is a grapevine trying to hang in there through the summer. So I'm trying to avoid cutting this baby right here. So I can just get it out the way. Great thing, it can eat these and make it grow stronger. A little fertilizer. Looks like got these all trimmed well. Yep. Boop. Excellent. Green fertilizer. All right, next time.